3、2、1，开始。
Hello everyone, my name is Crooks.
My name is Ben. I'm gonna play a dumper, which is called Lenny.
And my name is Hadley, and I'm acting George and the rabbit.
My name is Perry, and I'm the narrator.
My name is Amy. I play Cody's wife.
Okay, go ahead.
Scene 1. Crooks versus Lenny. In the quiet corners of the ranch, where dreams are whispered but rarely realized, Crooks and Lenny find themselves lost in a battle. Lots of fists, lots of words. Lenny, holding onto a paper rabbit, clings to the hope that George will come soon for him, as he always has.
Where's my rabbit? My balls!
Get out of my room, you dumb ass! This is my private space!
Oh, Crooks, you that man. George, let me we're here for farm and our future.
Farm? George will teach you like a broken tool!
Well, George let me wait. So I gotta see my rabbits and my bright future. Yes, my rabbits.
No?
Oh, blood!
After being hit by a stone, Lenny found that his mind become very clear, and he becomes smarter. Crooks and Lenny engaged in a rap battle.
Yo, what's up?
The dumb ass, just leave me alone.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hi, you guys wanna hear my story, huh? See that little boy?
Whoa.
And this is my time. And my name is Lenny, by the way. Are you black man evil? God damn. Let's go, guys. Hey, I'm Lenny. Behind her beauty. George James. Both Lenny wear wheelsy. Fluffy bunnies. Grinchel and Kang. No laugh. When you see my cheer. Crooks tall love. We're trying to go live. But George promised we'll do the our life. In the dark whisper, dream ignite. My heart burns by fueled by this fight. Accident happened, I haven't heard that chat. But nice dreams leave home, not a crest I fly. Lonely man by 01 lurkers. But I haven't got my dream, ready go burn. If we saw my sea, only gold, golden skis. Imaginary rabbit, just with for rice. Just with for rice, just with for rice. Imaginary rabbit, just with for rice. Go.
Land of free man, that's a joke. They hung my daddy from an old oak. Now I read books, cause words don't lie. But the white man's dream just a sweet by.
Hey.
Think you're different, you ain't, you are the same. Just another name in the cruel little game. They will use you up till you are broken and slow. Then toss you aside when the money don't flow. 4 walls, 1 light, just me inside. Nobody cares where a black man's at. You smell at me? No, that's just pretend. They will turn back when the boss walks in. Then comes Big Lenny, dump us the post, talking about rabbit like he's kind of ghost. I push him hard just to feel alive, cause hurting him's closet, I got you a fight.
Then 2. Cody's wife awakes. Just as the tension begins to simmer, a storm rolls in. Cody's wife, with her fiery temper and shaped tongue, bursts into the room like a whirlwind of chaos. She's not here to comfort or connect. She's here to destroy. Her eyes scan the room, finding easy targets in Crooks and Lenny, 2 men who can't fight back in the ways she used to.
Well, the loser club is open. Crooks, you both smack short and soft. Really won't make you fight. Really won't make you white. And you, Lenny, George is at the bar drinking beer. He forgot you, baby dear.
Get out! And nobody wants you here.
Oh, Lenny, George told me secret last night. He said you're dumb as rocks and boring.
What a thing, you SOB. George is my best friend. George may help me a lot, and George will always be you mindset. And how about your husband? Your husband will find you, and you get out with other boy, Sally. Why?
Ha, baby boy. Don't kid. George, he will leave you someday, just like everyone else, and you'll die along your ditch.
At least he's got hope. But you? Just Curly's shiny toy.
Shut up, you're nothing. nothing, a black shadow in a white world. And you, Lenny, George is drinking beer with him right now. He forgot you.
So sad.
Tell George I'm at the bar, waiting.
Scene 3, George's big moment.
What are you doing? I'm fixing our plan.
No, George Cruz said you were gone, and that red lady
No,
said.
I'm not going to leave, okay? But you must promise me, never ever talk to anyone again. And you, Crooks, stop poisoning his brain.
Choose hard, George. You will break him like this.
I'm all his god. Do you think I like this goddamn life? Come on, Lenny, let's check the jail again.
So George, we still got hope, right? We still got hope.
Of course, okay? Real as a rain.
And so the drink went on until the next disaster.